Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install bottles on any Ubuntu version. Whether you're on Ubuntu 22.04, 24.04, 25.04, 26.04, or even Ubuntu flavors like Kubuntu, Xubuntu, or Linux Mint. And the best part? We're installing it using Flatpak, which means this method works everywhere. What is Bottles? Before we install it, quick explanation. Bottles is a powerful tool that allows you to run Windows applications and games on Linux using environments called bottles. It's cleaner than raw wine, easy to use, and has presets for apps, gaming, and custom setups. It is always a good idea to update your system first. If you already have Flatpak installed, skip to the next part. If not, run this command to install it. Next, we need to add the flathub repository, which is where Bottles is hosted. After that, log out and log back in. This makes sure Flatpak integrates properly with your system. Now we can install Bottles with one simple command. This will download all the required runtime packages. So, depending on your internet speed, it might take a few minutes. Once the installation completes, launch Bottles. Inside Bottles, you can create gaming bottles for running Windows games, application bottles for productivity tools, custom bottles if you want full control. Bottles also includes installers, dependency managers, and built-in wine versions optimized for different use cases. And that's it. You've successfully installed Bottles using Flatpak on any Ubuntu-based system. Now you're ready to run your favorite Windows apps the easy way. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.